start with moisturizer. No matter what your skin type, dry, oily, or combination, it's important to hydrate both morning and night. I recommend using your cleanser and toner mostly at night before moisturizer is applied. Pat on your primer. While you don't need a makeup primer all the time, it really helps keep your makeup on, especially on a busy or warm day. A proper primer is meant to allow your makeup to wear the same all over your face.
If you have dry skin, look for a hydrating makeup primer, like Shiat London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. It's infused with watermelon extract, which is packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and hyaluronic acid to lock in all that non-greasy hydration. Please subscribe to this channel. For a more full coverage look, I prefer distributing the foundation evenly on a synthetic brush. I first apply the foundation to the flat parts of the face. I then spray some setting spray on my face and blend as you see. As I blend, I am looking for a good finish on my T-bone, under eye, chin, nose, etc. Contouring is a great way to enhance natural features and sculpt the structure of the face. It's a makeup method that helps to illuminate the high points of the face, such as the cheekbones and the bridge of the nose, and shadow areas such as the jawline and forehead. Contouring is adding dimension and definition to the face using makeup to mimic light and shadow. Highlighting is blending a lighter shade of makeup on certain parts of your face to bring attention to them. That is, upper part of your cheekbones, bridge of your nose, chin, Cupid's bow, center of your forehead, and other areas you would want to stand out more than usual. Highlighter, on the other hand, uses a shimmery shade that is much lighter than your skin tone to catch light and accentuate your features, making them look more prominent. Light-reflecting products are not only used to highlight and illuminate the skin, they help add dimension to your face. For a fuller pout, dab a little highlighter onto your Cupid's bow, just above your upper lip. A little product on your chin will accentuate your lower lip. I blend in direction applied to get a smooth finish. I apply my red liquid blush on my cheeks and blend as seen. Now let's draw some eyebrows. There are numerous ways to apply eyeshadow, but when it comes to the basics, there are a few things to remember. The light shades similar to your skin tone act as a base, explains Malawazada. A darker shade creates shape and definition, as well as contours the eye. Gently tap some loose powder under eyes.
I apply my pink lipstick I got from Amazon. Giving my braids the moisturizing look when my hair moves. This was me trying to get a pose for my thumbnail. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.